charity shop haul. The irony is not lost on me. I am well aware that the last video I did was a declutter with me, and I'm bringing more clutter in, but this is some stuff that I need, and I had to go to the charity shops, right? It was a need. I needed a mood booster, because you may notice that I'm missing a nail. I fell over, didn't I? Very tragically. And yeah, I did fall into some charity shops at the same time. So let's begin, because why not? I just thought I'd give a haul just whilst I have the stuff. I get to speak to you guys and create some videos. So yeah, we'll start with the most expensive thing, shall we? This here was for myself, and it's a blazer or jacket-y thing. It's got some ruched sleeves. It's actually M&S, and I picked this up to wear to a wedding. I needed like a jacket basically to wear to a couple of weddings. I've got 3 weddings coming up back to back. Isn't that crazy? So I'm wearing the same dress to all 3 because different groups of people. So I'm just checking to see if this is a real pocket. It is a real pocket. It just hasn't been cut open yet. And yeah, it's yellow, and I needed something to go with that. And I'm like, what colour do you put with yellow? My husband's wearing green, so I was like, I can't wear blue because that clashes with that. So I was going to go with white, and then everyone was like, don't wear white to a wedding, even if it's just a jacket. So I found this one, a stony coloured linen one. It is actually a really good kind of blend of fabrics, actually. It's M&S, like I said, and where is it? 52% linen, 48% viscose, so that's quite nice. It cost me £8, a bit more than I'd usually like to spend at the charity shop, but it's like the exact thing that I was looking for. It's a little bit longer, you know, just a good throw on. This dress that I'm wearing is actually like sleeveless, like it comes up over here with a big bow, and then it doesn't have anything, so I just needed something, so I picked that up. That's quite good, isn't it? £8 really, I can't complain. So yeah, next thing, this double duvet cover. I bought this just because of the fabric. I have a plan for the fabric of this, and I will share that in an upcoming video, I'm sure. Like, I actually plan to do this on videos, but the fabric of it was lovely. Not sure where it's originally from, but really, really nice little prints on there. And this was £1 for the double duvet and the pillowcases. So I was like, that is just rude not to pick up, isn't it? Like, look at all this gorgeous fabric. I'm pretty sure I used to have a duvet cover that was very similar to this. Oh, there we go. There's the label. It doesn't actually say. Probably like B&M or something, to be honest. It's 52% cotton, 48% polyester, but there we are. Look at that. Gorgeous. £1. What an absolute steal. I did pick up an Ebbing Bridgewater one not that long ago, actually, thinking it would fit on my bed. It didn't, so I resold it on eBay. But that was good. Anyway, next up, a blazer. Like I said, it's wedding season. This one here, beautiful. This is also M&S, I believe. I think it was M&S. Oh no, it isn't. It's Jaeger. 100% wool. Gorgeous, gorgeous blazer jacket here. This one here was £1 in the clearance outlet one, and I really, really like this. So pick this up for my husband. It's in his size. What size is this, actually? Just double checking to make sure I've got the right one. Yeah, perfect. Look at that. 100% wool blazer for £1. Are you joking? Couldn't get that new in the store, could you? So yeah, I always find blazers, suits, and stuff like that, like occasion wear in the charity shops, is so good, because typically people only wear it once or twice, and then it's gathering dust in the wardrobe, and then they just donate it because they can't be bothered to deal with it. So that's always good. And then also picked up a new pair of trousers for him to wear to work as well. These ones here were M&S, with stretch and yeah, crease resistant ones, apparently. Taupe and in her size, and these here were £1 as well in the clearance charity shop. Really, really nice trousers there, just gorgeous. I don't know what the fabric in these are. Crease resistant, it's probably polyester. Yeah, just polyester ones, but there they are. Look, what a nice pair of trousers. Look at that, beautiful. Then this random stuff. So this here, again, wedding season. I needed a little bag. Isn't this a cute little bag? So this is actually just Primark. Sorry if I let it focus there. It is just Primark, but like I said, I'm wearing yellow, and I think this will like suit nicely. I've got white shoes as well, which I wore to my own wedding last year. I like the gold detailing on this, and the fact that you can have it across body. This is just Primark It did cost £4 in the charity shop, and it is quite dirty inside, so I need to get really scrubbing with the toothbrush on that, because there's like some makeup marks and stuff on it. Someone obviously had their foundation or something in there, but it will do. It's going to fit in my insulin pens quite nicely in there. That's typically all it takes to a wedding. And then my phone, and I don't know what else really. I wonder if this lock actually did lock. No, it's just decorative. But yeah, it's nice, right? £4 for Primark, probably a bit expensive, probably only cost about £6, £8 new. But the guy in the charity shop was really cute, and I really liked this. I don't know why. So I thought that would do me. And like I said, I'm going to be wearing 3 weddings back to back. So I mean, £4 is less than like £1.50 a day, isn't it? So who cares? Who cares? Just some wax melts, Yankee candle, cinnamon. It's not the season, but they smell divine. I am a sucker for a cinnamon candle, let me tell you. Delicious. A pound. Probably cost about £4, but it was £1 and it went to charity, so winner, winner. Next, cushion cases. These are the ones that we have in here at the moment. I wanted a couple more. These are from Dunelm. They're the Highland check in the natural colourway. Do you see them? Beautiful. Yeah, so these are around about, I don't know if I had to guess, £20? £20 each. Is that a bit excessive? £15 minimum each. The really, really thick, kind of nice ones. And these were 2 for £3. 2 for £3 in the charity shops. Can you get any better? The zips all work on them. The Dunelm kind of labels and stuff are inside. I checked to make sure they were the right ones, because I know B&M did a like dupe of them, but the fabric wasn't as good. Where's the label? It's probably in the other one now, but these ones here were definitely the Dunelm ones. Next up, this laptop bag, messenger bag, whatever you want to call it, is Tripp brand. I have the suitcases to match this. This one here is the one that goes on over like the handle. So this bit here, like unvelcros, you slip it over your handle and then it just stays on top, you know. Lovely little leather clip there. Look at this, beautiful. Must have only been used once, to be honest, because all the little gubbins and stuff are inside. It smells like brand new backpacks, and yeah, perfect. Look at all that room inside. And yes, I do have some things inside, so I'll share these little bits with you as well. But oh my goodness, here it is. Look, perfect. Look at that. Like I said, upcoming trip, this will come in perfectly. Right, okay, I brought you closer so you can see what I picked up, these random little bits. So, big bundle of elastic, 20p, bargain. Couldn't get better than that really, even buying it kind of in bulk. So 20p, because I needed that for a little project, like I said. Then I picked up this little zip. This was also 20p, just a nice little YKK zip. Beautiful, right? Chunky one, again, for a project. Then another little bundle of elastic, 2 meters, 50p. The other one was a better deal, but this one here, brand new, so just came with me. I needed some elastic. Then we have these 2 little bundles of fabric. So this one here, I believe, is just 1 piece. I don't know, haven't opened it up, but it's cute heart print fabric. Are you joking? Look how adorable that is. £1. So let's open that up. Does it say £1? Yeah, £1. So let's open that. I always like to look through the little like fabric bits at the charity shops. So what's going on here? Oh, okay, there's a couple pieces. Don't know if this was, oh no, this is actually just fabric. I didn't know if it was like a you know, a cut up pillowcase or something. Okay, so we've got some little scrappy bits here. Scrappy bit. Oh, perfect. And then this here, folded out even bigger. Someone's obviously clearing out their craft stash, which we love. So a big bit like this. Nice. Little off cut. We can do something with that. And this bit here is much bigger. There's 2 pieces. This could be 2. Oh, it's 2 pieces at this size as well. Really like that. Yes, I'm going to do something with that. And then this little pack here is just random. Do you see all those colours in there? This one here and this one is definitely a Liberty, I believe. Looks like it, but In fact, I'm fairly certain. I collect a lot of Liberty fabrics anyway, but has a few little random bits in here. So let's open this one up. This was £1 as well. A random bow. Then this little bag. I really like the cute little rose on there. We can definitely do something with that. Okay, these are charm squares. Some little charm squares. A bit of green florally fabric. Oh, this side has pearls on there, and then just some mixtures of some florals, just some floral offcuts. There we go. This piece, I have one very, very similar to that. It feels like it, you know, that classic cotton one. That was the same. This one here again, definitely is, feels like it. And then this little offcut as well. Is that really random? Just all these little bits, but we can definitely do something with these. And again, I will keep you posted. Look how pretty they are. I love those colours. So yeah, that's what's in that one. Lots of random little offcuts. I definitely didn't really need them, but I wanted them for something. So stay tuned on that. So that's everything I got in the shirt shop haul. Let me know what you think. Have you picked up any bargains recently yourself? Let me know how your decluttering is going, how everything's going. Basically, I would actually love to know. I've got to sort through this stuff now, get some things in the wash and get everything ready so I can start on that project that I said about. But yeah, I will be filming that. I don't know when the video is coming, but it will be coming. So stay tuned for that. Subscribe if you haven't already. I'd love to have you. But yeah, thanks so much for hanging out, and I'll see you very soon for another video. Bye.